Hey guys, so today we'll be doing an introduction to Canva. Let's jump right into the video. When we open Canva, this is the first page it will bring us to, and it shows us our recent designs. But we're going to focus at the top banner right here. Now first, when you click presentations, it shows us a different range of templates. On social media, there's a lot of different templates for Instagram, for Facebook, IG stories, whatever it is that you need, you can find it here. Now on video, we'll see the different range of video templates, like for YouTube, you can find for TikTok, you can find for LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever it is. A template is here for that platform. Now Canva also has print products. So for example, if you have business cards, you can actually let Canva print these and ship them directly to you. Now on to marketing. This is where we have templates for logos, for flyers, for different stickers, etc. Now I love the templates that Canva offers because it really gives you some form of assistance when you don't really know where to go. So for example, with the logos, you can see that there's a bunch of different templates that you can readily customize and make it your own. Now moving on to Office, and here we can see different templates for like business documents, like resumes, Word documents, reports, letters, etc. Canva has thought about everything. So if you're creating brochures, there's a template there for you. Wallpapers, different graphs, book covers, whatever it is, there's a template for it. Now let's go into a template. We're going to type in flyer, and let's just select one. And as you can see, it brings us to different templates that Canva already has ready for you to design. Again, Canva has thousands of templates for you, so we're going to just choose the blank template and we're going to work our way through the different sections. Now when you press file, you can actually rename the file that you're designing. We're going to name this flyer demo, and you can look at the drop down to see the different options that you have to see margins, bleed, rulers, guides, whatever it is. When we select resize, we can actually change the dimensions of our design, and we can actually just use the custom templates that Canva already has. We can change if we want it to be shown in inches, centimeters. Let's select Instagram post. We can copy and resize, and this would take us to a completely new design with that specific dimension. Or we could just press resize and it resizes the current document that we're already editing in. Let's take a deeper look at the elements that are in each design. So at the bottom section, we have notes, and we can actually type a little notes in there in case we're doing a presentation or just to have something to look back at. We can add pages to our design by selecting that plus button, just how we zoom in and out of our design, just to make editing easier. Then we can actually look at the different pages individually and view full screen. Now let's go back. On the left hand side, the first thing we see is templates. Now we can search for different templates and a range of different designs will come up. We can choose to edit these if we want to customize it. It's all about customization with Canva, and we can search for them using the search bar. Secondly, we have elements. Now almost everything you want to find in Canva, you can find it in elements. The first thing we can see is lines and shapes, and these give us lines and shapes. So we have different shapes that we can use to further enhance our design. Then we have graphics. Now we can find a bunch of animated graphics like stickers, and these help to bring all your designs to life if you use them correctly. Now moving on to the third one, and these fall under graphics as well. These are the stickers. Just look for the category you'd like and select the best one. Next up, we have photos. Now these can be background photos that you actually put in different frames. If you're creating a flyer, a business card, if you're creating a post for social media, a personalized card, you can find a photo here that will help you in your design process. Another cool tool is videos. Now these can be background videos or videos that you can also put in your frames, but it helps to bring an animated touch to your design. Imagine an Instagram reel or TikTok video with the beach or the sea playing in the background and you have your text, so it gives your video an extra push and catches your audience's attention. Next up, we have audio. Now we can add audio clips to our designs or our videos. For example, for this video, I added an audio clip that you can hear in the background. We also have charts, and this is a pretty cool feature. You can add it, you can put in the different data points that you want to become realized on the screen, and you can also change or edit the color of your graph. Next up, we have tables. It's the same thing as the graphs. Edit the color, you can put text within the boxes. Now the other cool element is frames. So I'm going to demonstrate how you use frames. Just snap a picture or a video onto the frame and it becomes a part of that overall element. It gives it a very unique, smooth finish and helps to really make your designs more appealing. Last up, we have grids, and it's the same effect as frames, only thing that the grids actually fill up the entire page, or you can adjust it to your liking, but it's the same concept of just putting the picture or the video across and it snaps together and becomes one with the grid. So as we go down, we have camera roll, then we have uploads where we can upload the different pictures and videos from our device. We have text, and we have a different number of font combinations that have different effects that really give our designs an extra pizzazz. Next up, we have styles, and I really love this feature. If you're a creator and you really don't know where to begin with your different font combinations, color palettes, it's all here for you. You can literally go in, look at the options and select the best one. Here we see that the audio section comes up once again on this layout, and most of the good tracks are on the pro version, so free users won't have access to it. Next up, backgrounds. We can choose from different patterns, colors. A cool trick is to actually import your background, reduce the transparency, and it gives your design a nice hue effect. Canva is all about giving you options, so you can search for different backgrounds and pick and choose whatever you like. We're almost done. Next, we have embeds. Now this option gives you the ability to actually paste your link, and this can add the link to the design. Here you can either send the design to the back, or you can reduce the transparency so that your audience doesn't see the actual link, but when they click on the screen, then they will take them to the specific page. You can also add your QR code in Canva. So just by pasting your website link, you can generate your own unique QR code. So when your customer or your audience scans it, it will take them to the desired landing page. Canva also allows you to search for different GIFs that you can add in your designs. If you're creating an Instagram post, if you want to do memes, this is a really great feature for your business or brand. We're almost done. Next, we have the draw feature. Now, I know many persons didn't know that you can actually draw in Canva, but you can change the background color. Let's change it to black. Go to draw, we select marker. We can adjust the size of the marker and also the transparency, and we just draw. We can also use the eraser tool to erase what we just designed so that we can re-edit, etc. Let me increase the size of the eraser to make it easier. So we can use the marker. We can also use the pen or reduce the transparency so it shows a little more dull on the screen. We can use the glow pen, and we can also use the highlighter. You can also add your logo or upload your logo in Canva so that when you're designing, instead of going to search through uploads, you have it right here in one place. You can also create folders, whether on the home page that will appear here, all your designs, purchase designs or folders, and also your starred folders. Now you can import media from different apps outside of Canva and start editing it in Canva. You have Google Photos, Instagram, we know those. We can also draw here, discover content from YouTube. You can also draw, the QR code option is there, whatever it is, you can find it in the more section. That's all for today. Stay tuned for part 2.